Right, folks, let's explore city of Mocoa. City of Mocoa. This is beginning of Amazon. So we already in the plains. It's only 500 meters above sea level, and yeah, it's different climate. The Amazon starting here. See the mountains over there. So let's see what is here. I have no idea. So I just paid for 1 day, 1 night in the hostel, in the hotel. Maybe I will continue. Maybe find another place to stay. I don't know yet. Or maybe I will try to find some couch surfer here. The city a little bit on the hills, guys. It's not in the plains, definitely. A little bit chaotic for me. Too much chaos, too much like driving around. I don't know, maybe now it's a busy time, but people a little bit different. Looks like I see some Indian people, indigenous, and drug addicts. I saw a lot of under the bridge. Alright, I think this is the center. Alright guys, we're in the Central Park of Mocoa, and here's the sign, Yellow Mocoa. This is province called Putumayo. Central square of some general is the monument. This city is surrounded by the tall mountains we see at the back over there. Very high mountains covered in the clouds. General Francisco de Paula Santander, 1792-1840. I don't know who is this guy, but what he did for this place, for this country, but here we go. Here's his monument. What I see here is not many historical buildings, mostly new one. So yeah, not much. Probably this is only the historical place in the whole town. Church. Alright guys, I found some room near the bus station for 30,000, which is $7.50. I think also they have a kitchen. So inside my room have this kind of funny shower and toilet. I just need to get a key and fan. I think it's okay. Folks, this is the view from my hotel, from the balcony. I don't have a balcony, just the view from the top, and there is the bus station over there. Okay, let's walk around a little bit, let's see what's going on, and let's eat something. I want to eat fish today. Alright folks, it's another day in beautiful Colombia, and today we're going to the Fin del Mundo, the waterfalls in the jungle. It's a long trek, it's about 2 hours, I don't know, 2-3 hours, with plenty pools, places to swim, to enjoy. So there should be some place where you need to pay for the entrance. It's, you know, it's about $6 probably. Let's see. Alright folks, here we go. I don't know, I didn't pay anything yet, nobody was there at the registration point. Maybe they're gonna check later, I don't know. So let's do it. It's our first hanging bridge and Almighty Putumayo River, I think so. Okay, so this bridge is not marked on the maps as a bridge because you cannot probably drive here on the car. See the river, the water is muddy as hell, but the waterfall is somewhere over there. It's a smaller river. All right. Oh, I can hear more horses coming. More horses coming. Okay. Well, look at this. More horses. Buenos días. Let's continue. It's slippery and humid, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, road's funny. Look at this canyon. Oh my god. So here is the hostel Huaca, and I see they constructing something. I can hear machines cutting wood and stuff. I don't know how far is that. I'm already walking a long time. This road is nice because it's a stone. See? Right, folks. Now it's rain starting, so I just came to one of the checkpoints. I mean, the checkpoint where I had to pay, and they gave me this bracelet, and the price is now 35,000 for the foreigners, 18 for the locals, which is too much. The information online was 27 last year. Now they increased it for the 35. Oh my god, this, which is like almost $9. It's a little bit too much. And now the rain starting, and you need to leave this place by 3 o'clock. Now it's almost 1 o'clock. And it's still like 20 minutes walking, he said. I asked him, can you show me the information about the price? I thought he's scamming me, but he said okay, and then they sent him the picture of prices, so he showed me. Yeah, it says the new prices from this year. Fuck, rain starting, guys. It's gonna be very slippery to go up and actually to go down as well. Here it's more or less, but down there it's really muddy. Oh my god. Tired. What is this? No idea what this is. Where is this waterfall? Where is waterfall, guys? I'm tired. So fucking wasted. Alright, finally I can hear the water, the noise of the water, and now it's very stiff road down. See, up and down, and it's pure jungle, guys. No rain, luckily. Let's go, guys. Look at this pure jungle. Oh, and I see some foreigners. Pure jungle. We have some doggy. Doggy found me. Doggy follow me. Where is the waterfall, guys? Propiedad privada, no pasa. Pure jungle. But the sound of water is becoming more and more loud. Alright, it's not safe now to make a video. Alright, we reached the river. Some pool. Some nice pool. No pescar, okay. No fishing, guys. So yeah, I think the waterfall is more down. Okay, life jackets, guys. Oh, where's the waterfall? Okay.
Este es el Pozo Negro. Tiene 6 metros de profundidad. Es el único que está permitido para saltar. Y si vas a saltar lo puedes hacer desde el punto verde o también lo puedes hacer desde allá al frente, ¿sí? Para llegar hasta la última cascada nos vamos a guiar allá por las flechitas rojas. Seguimos siempre por la orilla de la quebrada. Más adelante pasamos la quebrada. La flechita nos indica que debemos pasar la quebrada. Seguimos por el otro lado. Llegamos a unas escaleras. Y llegamos al otro pozo, el pozo de la golondrina. Ahí también hay un restaurante si usted ahí desea almorzar o alguna bebida.
Alright guys, this guy told me there is still more waterfalls over there. It's about, he said, 15 minutes walk. So he advised me to come back here on the way back. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're going now to the last one and we're gonna visit this one on the way back. Alright. So these guys, they're like guides or guards. So they check in, they make sure you're okay. Todo bien, todo seguro, and so on. And I see a lot of fish, by the way. I don't know what kind of fish. I never saw this fish before. But anyway, no fishing here. Nice. Nice walk in the cool jungle. Now it's not hot, it's nice. So let's go to the last one. Okay. Wow, look at this color, guys. I know. Oh, okay. To cruzar? No. I think I need to cross the river, folks. Unbelievable. Puta madre, I need to cross the river. Alright folks, another one. And there is one more. Need to cross river here and to go more down in like 5 minutes, they say. So here they have a restaurant under the rock, so I might buy something to eat. Let's see. Nice. Continue to the final one. Oh. Well, you know. What's this? Folks, look at this. It looks magical. Very magical. Looks cool actually. But it's slippery. It's slippery, you have to be careful. Alright, I think I arrived almost. Oh my god, puta madre, look at this. Unbearable. Come on. Con tu aporte mejoramos nuestros servicios. Gracias por tu visita. All right, folks. So I think it's the final one. I believe so. I'll show you more when I go down. This one is very interesting. I never saw like this. There is like a big rock and then the water go under the rock. Yeah. Right. All right. Another one. So. And here they have a, I think, zip line, but not gonna do any zip line for sure. Huge pieces of rock.
Para poder ingresar a mirar de la línea roja hacia allá, boca abajo, ¿listo? No se admite pararse ni tampoco con los pies colgados. ¿Listo? Al fondo vemos la ciudad de Mocoa.
Oh, there is like Mocoa. So ¿está incluido en precio?
¿Ah?
¿Incluido en boleto?
Incluye el boleto.
Sí. Okay. Gracias. Okay, so I can see the edge of this thing. Okay. Okay. So they put like this safety stuff for me. It's included in the price actually. So I can go on the edge of the rock.
¿Listo?
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
Esto está asegurado ya.
¿Segurado? Ah. Alright guys, look at this. Ah. Better lay down. Oh my god. So fucking scared guys. Puta madre. Oh my Buddha. Guys, it's so big. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Puta madre. Ah, mucho. I don't know, but still scared, honestly. So high, so tall. Prepare just to holding. It's holding properly. So this waterfall under the rock, it's very unique, by the way. I never saw like this before. And a big pool. Alright folks, I just want to show you this beautiful restaurant next to the waterfall where I just had a coffee. Look at this. Incredible. Unbelievable. It's located under this rock. Water dropping. Yeah, nice. You can sit here, you can have a nice beautiful view. Coffee just $50, but the food is expensive, like fish is 30,000, like $7.50. Fried fish. Nice. They're doing great job. Unbelievable. So yeah, folks. You guys, here's the magnets from this place. It's different animals in the Mundo. French people. And aquí, ¿cuánto cuesta?
De estos son a 10.
¿Ah?
A 10.000.
10,000.
Traen cabecitas de loro.
Oh, nice. Ah, sí,
Tengo así para colocar las velitas de incienso con piedra cuarzo del fin del mundo. O también tengo de estas así. También se le coloca aquí y sale.
¿Qué es esta?
Ajá.
¿Qué es esta?
Ya te indico cómo.
¿Por aroma?
Ajá. Ya.
Ah, o sea, por aroma, sí.
Esto es para esto.
Mm.
Lo pones aquí. Ah, pues no.
Guys, this is the local wine from this region. Vino artesanal putumayense, made from the local fruits. I don't know how much, but you can buy it here. So also there are more magnets. I think the Mundo.
Tengo estas también, pero todavía falta terminarlas. Estas son la hormiga conga. Mira, esto se pone aquí así.
Okay.
Ya sale el humo por ahí.
Y fumado aquí, ahumado aquí, ¿sí?
Sí.
Después.
Ah, ven,
So guys, the smoke should come from
the...
there. Okay. Buena idea. Nice. Okay. ¿En postales?
Las postales 6.000.
6,000. Oh my god.
Son artesanías de segundo y así.
Alright folks, going down. So I bought 2 magnets for 7 and one keyring for 5. Hola. Buenos días. Yeah. So this is how they're delivering everything, guys. It's not easy. The life in the jungle is not easy at all. I will tell you. The life is not easy at all here. And the rain again, and the rain again. Oh, let me just go back, guys. I'm nearly done. And the rain started. So yeah, it was a nice trip. Nice trip, but a little bit too much walking up and down. But it was quite an experience for like almost end of my trip around Colombia, because I'm not far from the Ecuador border, where I wanna go obviously soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. So we'll see. Alright folks, here I came to the river Putumayo, and it's not big yet, but this river will be gonna be bigger and bigger, and it will be the border between Colombia and Ecuador, and later Colombia and Peru, until this river will reach Amazon. So this is already like Amazon basin. You see the colors are different. So Rio Putumayo, here we go. Okay. Small pools. Oh, puta madre. Yeah, it's very fast and rapid river, you can see over there. Sandy beach. Wow. Water is more or less. I have my fishing stuff, but I don't have any bait, unfortunately. Otherwise I could check if there's any fish here. Yeah, I don't know, a little bit scared to go more. No. Amazing rocks. Nice. Look at this. Maybe. rope.